Hey Seegers, it is time for us to pick the theme for Seegers next year.
Picking a theme for our year is very important.
This is not only how our building looks, but it is thinking about how we do the work we do each day.
Staff, teachers, and committee members have been working hard behind the scenes.
They have to come up with two really awesome possibilities for next year's themes.
Take a look at the possibilities and be ready to vote on what you think will boost Seegers to the next level. Start your engines and grab your hard hats. The two options you will get to choose from are build and drive.
If you like mapping out a journey or racing toward big goals, this option is for you. If Seegers picks drive, you will be choosing between Drive with Purpose and Road to Success.
If you are all about getting your hands dirty and creating strong foundations, the build theme is for you. If Seegers picks build, you will choose between constructing our future and building excellence.
We hope you have a good idea about which one will be the best for all Seegers staff and students in 2023.
Be ready to vote. Your teacher will be giving you the instructions. Results will be shared at the next PLC Day assembly. Have fun voting, Seegers!